This is how to enhance all the video memories with your partner to high quality for a compilation video with just a few clicks. Making a video for an anniversary can be the cutest and most heartfelt gift ever. However, when it's for the 10th anniversary or 20th, the videos dating back to the dawn of the relationship will be in a significantly lower quality. Now, the problem is not that a lower quality video is not capable of holding a memory the same way. It's that when combined with higher resolution videos, the quality difference will be prominent. Even worse, that a low resolution video put on a large resolution timeline and then display will look even worse than what it is because of pixelation. To bridge this problem, the low resolution clips must be enhanced to a higher quality and resolution before combining them with the new HD and 4K clips. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So first things first, you'll need a tool for video enhancement. I'll use the UniConverter's Video Enhancer AI that has several functions to increase the quality of a video. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. After installation, open it up and click on the Video Enhancer AI. You can import up to 20 videos at a time to work on, and you'll find the functions on the right side. Today, we're interested in two functions, quality restoration and the Topaz Generative Enhancement. For general quality enhancement on clips that aren't super low in quality, use the quality restoration feature. I'm gonna use these clips here, so I'll just import them. And the way to use it is simply clicking on it, and then after selecting an output folder, clicking on Export All. And from this point forward, the tool will just process the files in a batch. For video clips that are very low in quality, use the Topaz Premium Enhancement feature. This will cost more AI credits, but will also produce significantly better results. When you click on it, you'll get to choose from 1080p and 4K. The optimal resolution for us is obviously 4K. Finally, the same way, choose an output folder and then click on Export All. Alright, let's see the results. Here are the video clips from the first batch with the quality restoration feature. And then here are the ones from the second round with Topaz. The quality difference is absolutely significant, and now these clips can be used for that anniversary video. Alright, if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.